Here is a recipe for garlic chili noodles. Ingredients: 8 ounces dried noodles such as spaghetti or linguine, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes or to taste, a quarter cup soy sauce, a quarter cup rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, a quarter cup chopped green onions optional. Instructions: cook noodles according to package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. In a large pan or wok, heat olive oil over medium-high heat. Add garlic and red pepper flakes and cook for 30 seconds or until fragrant. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, rice vinegar, and brown sugar. Pour the sauce into the pan with the garlic and red pepper flakes and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 2 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in the sesame oil. Toss the cooked noodles with the sauce in the pan. If desired, top with chopped green onions before serving.